Alright, YouTube, down on the water again. Got my 2 lines in. Let's see, kind of fishing that area there. I was down here Thursday night. Had paid Kenny Rogers to take my wife off my hands for a few hours. Got down here and the water was all the way up to where I'm sitting now and coming up, so I had to leave. Well, I'm due a good one. Got me one of these Rapala fish weighers in case I catch something decent. It's supposed to weigh up, I guess, to 50 pounds. So if I catch anything decent, y'all might get to see what it is. Occasionally, if I catch something that I think's a good, decent weight, I'll weigh it and then not show y'all what it is, and then y'all can guess what it is. Have a fish on. A little bitty channel cat. I guess I'll throw back in that spot and see if we can't find Big Mama. I think we got a fish on. Decent little channel cat there. Finally, after a while, a long time. That's a good looking little channel cat there. Not very big, probably about 2.5 pounds. But he's fun to catch. Yeah, a good little fish.
hope this is a fish, because it is big. And it's still on. Still on. Oh, come on, close. Hang in there, baby. That's a catfish. Catfish. Nice big old blue. Whew, finally starting to pay off. I'm glad I hang around. Boy, that's got to be a, holy moly. I'm gonna have to take that one home. Oh, by the way, that's gonna give me an opportunity to try out that little weigher, so we can guess what it is. I'm gonna guess. All right, what I'm gonna do. Ouch. Oh, shit. Whoa, baby. Let me see it. Okay. All right. Ow, ow, let go of my finger there, kitty, kitty. Alright, I know how much this guy weighs. Alright, y'all try to figure it out. I'm going to try to give you a perspective. See how you try to get a good look at him. Alright, now this scale operates, I guess, in the hundreds. So you'll want to guess something like, now if you want to, you can do, let's say 2.2 or 2.57, you know. I mean, if you do 2.2 and somebody, you know, probably be close enough or something like that. But I think I'm gonna go by the closest to the 100. So if you guess like 3.35 or 3.87 or, you know, just something in there, y'all have to figure out how y'all want to do that. But go ahead and guess this fish's weight, and I'll probably stop taking guesses. Let's see, today is Saturday, 2 weeks from now, which will be this is I think the 16th or 17th of April. Let's see, that was 9 plus 7, 16th. This is the 16th of July. So figure 2 weeks from now, and I'll stop taking them, and then whoever is the closest, I'm gonna shout out your name on my next trip, on my next shot. Boy, I'm glad I hung around. This guy was well worth the wait, I'm sure. Ooh, nice fish. I'm gonna have to take this one home and clean it. That was a beauty. Oh, love that one. Man, that makes the, I think it's going on 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been here since 7 something this morning. Caught those 2 little ones, and now I got that good one. Finally got a good one. Using perch head without eyeballs. Well, that was a blast. That was a nice fish. I weighed him on this, so put in your guesses.